Eugene Wigner um, once asked a question. He posed a question. Um, he wondered why our universe, as we know it, the physics, which whose laws, the laws of physics, which then underpins chemistry, which underpins biology, and everything else that we know exists, can all be described in the language of mathematics. And he wondered why that is. So I'm not gonna try to answer this question in this video, but I have a book. It's called Is God a Mathematician? By Mario Livio. Yeah. I'm gonna read a chapter from Is God a Mathematician by Mario Livio for you. Okay. Let's see here. His chapter on the science of uncertainty. In other words, what happens when life, society, and the things we don't normally associate with certainty can be described by the field we all know as statistics and probability. Chapter 5 from his book. Page and I'm gonna be reading starting from page 120. Hold on. 120. 124. Okay. Chapter 5. Statisticians and Probabilists, the Science of Uncertainty. The researchers of the 17th century realized soon enough that a search for precise universal social principles of the type of Newton's law of gravitation was doomed from the start. For a while, it seemed that when the intricacies of human nature are brought into the equation, secure predictions become virtually impossible. The situation appeared to be even more hopeless when the minds of an entire population were involved. Rather than despairing, however, a few ingenious thinkers developed a fresh arsenal of innovative mathematical tools: statistics and probability theory. The Odds Beyond Death and Taxes. The English novelist Daniel Defoe, 1660 to 1731, best known for his adventure story Robinson Crusoe, also authored a work on the supernatural entitled The Political History The Political History of the Devil. In it, Defoe, who saw evidence for the devil's actions everywhere, wrote, "Things as certain as death and taxes can be more firmly believed." Benjamin Franklin, 1706-90, seems to have subscribed to the same perspective with respect to certainty. In a letter he wrote at age 83 to the French physicist Jean-Baptiste Leroy, he said, "Our Constitution is in actual operation. Everything appears to promise that it will last, but in this world nothing can be said to be certain but death and taxes. Indeed, the courses of our lives appear to be unpredictable, prone to natural disasters, susceptible to human errors, and affected by pure happenstance. Phrases such as "shit happens," that was actually censored, have been invented precisely to express our vulnerability to the unexpected and our inability to control chance. In spite of these obstacles, and maybe even because of these challenges, mathematicians, social scientists, and biologists have embarked since the 16th century on serious attempts to tackle uncertainties methodically. Moisturizing my throat a little here. Following the establishment of the field of statistical mechanics, and faced with the realization that the very foundations of physics, in the form of quantum mechanics, are based on uncertainty, physicists of the 20th and 21st centuries have enthusiastically joined the battle. The weapon researchers use to combat the lack of precise determinism is the ability to calculate the odds of a particular outcome. Short of being capable of actually predicting a result, computing the likelihood of different consequences is the next best thing. The tools that have been fashioned to improve on mere guesses and speculations, statistics and probability theory, provide the underpinning of not just much of modern science, but also a wide range of social activities, from economics to sports. We all use probabilities and statistics in almost every decision we make, sometimes subconsciously.